Hi everyone! Good evening. It's Saturday evening. Happy weekend. Let's take a break from Ilocano phrases, and tonight let's learn 5 Ilocano questions, 5 simple Ilocano questions that might come in handy in your everyday conversations. Let's start. First one. Is that so? Kasdyay, 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 ya, kasdyay, kasdyay. And before I forget to include the Tagalog word, before I forget to say that in Tagalog, kasdyay. Is that so? Ganun ba? Ganun ba? Second one. Inya kunam, Inya kunam. What did you say? Inya, 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 Inya. Inya kunam, kunam. Inya kunam, Inya, Inya kunam. Inya, kunam, Inya kunam. What did you say? Tagalog. Anong sabi mo? Anong sabi mo? Third one. Inya daydyay, Inya daydyay, Inya daydyay, jay, Inya daydyay, jay, Inya daydyay, Inya daydyay. What is that? Or it's another way to ask someone what they said. Inya daydyay. What is that? Or what is that you said? Inya daydyay. Tagalog. Ano yun? Ano yun? Fourth one. If you're wondering where someone is, ayan mon. Ayan mon. Where are you now? Ayan mon. Ayan. Ayan. Mon. Mon. Ayan mon. Where are you now? Tagalog. Nasaan ka na? Nasaan ka na? Last one for tonight. We have Apay kasta ka. Apay kasta ka. Apay kasta ka. Apay. Apay. Kasta. Kasta. Ka. Ka. Apay kasta ka. Apay kasta ka. Why are you like that? Apay kasta ka. Tagalog. Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka ganyan? Apay kasta ka. Ayan mon. Adat tuyak mol. Kasdyay, wan. Addagatangak. Inya kunam. Addagatangak kunak. That's all for tonight. Until next time. See you again in the next video. Bye.